then today, it's Grandma's birthday, and we are going to be doing a barbecue. And on this barbecue, we're going to be showing you how to make pineapple salad and shish kebabs. Oh no, we're not touch that. So let's get started. Okay, now we're going to make our pineapple salad, and I'm going to hand over to Grandma.
Well, the first thing we're going to do is put in some lettuce. That's our first ingredient. Okay. Now, the next thing you want is to put in some pineapple. You can use fresh pineapple or canned pineapple, whichever kind you like. So we're going to take a little of our mayonnaise. Put it in, what are we putting it? In ButterBeanz?
I'm putting it in a cup, of course.
Our bowl. Add a little bit of this
Cherry juice.
pink maraschino cherry juice to it.
I want to
Mix it up. Makes it pretty.
Do you add salt or pepper or anything?
You can add a little salt if you want. I wouldn't put any pepper with this. Oh, that's the wrong one. Okay, now put it on your salad.
my finger.
Now we mix it up. You toss it around with the mayonnaise.
Oh my god.
Careful. Lettuce all wants to jump out of the bowl.
I got a careful mayonnaise. Then I'm gonna have the cherries.
A couple of little maraschino cherries on there.
From the juice, you know, when they put it in. I want to try one.
And finally, we're going to put a little cheese on top. A little cheddar American cheese goes nicely. Whoops.
Okay, so now we're gonna make some shish kebabs. So we're gonna need some bell pepper, which we got here, some pearl onions, which look like pearls. That's why they're called pearl onions. Oops. And since we're gonna be doing, and you know, some meat or you know, fig meat for us. And since it's gonna be a tropical, you know, Hawaiian birthday for my grandma's birthday, since it's today, we're gonna have some pineapple, and then at the end we're gonna have some barbecue sauce. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to put them line by line inside here like this. But make a pattern. So I'm gonna go pearls, you know, the onion, pineapple, bell pepper. The bell pepper is gonna be a little Well, that was a close one. It really hurt. Then meat. And keep doing that until it's all filled. Okay, now look at these beautiful shish kebabs. But we're missing something. Barbecue sauce. And we have the Hawaiian for Grandma's birthday. There we go. That's a button. Found that. Looks like a spider. Handle's warm. Spread it on. Spread. Oh, even twist it over. Then you're going to want to stick these on the grill to cook. Then you're going to have to eat them, of course. Why did you make a shish kebab and not eat them?